Rip ChatGPT? Anthropic just launched Claude 2, ChatGPT's biggest competitor. Here's 5 reasons why you should use Claude 2 over ChatGPT. Some quick background info. Claude is an AI chatbot just like ChatGPT. It's created by Anthropic, an OpenAI competitor. It's free to use. Access it here, claude.ai. Longer prompt length. Claude can analyze, interpret, and respond to much longer inputs than ChatGPT. Claude. 100k tokens equals 75k words. ChatGPT. 32k tokens equals 24k words. Example, Claude summarizing a 52,000 word document. Better coding. Claude 2 scored a 71.2% on a Python coding test. Meanwhile, ChatGPT only got 67%. More up to date. Claude 2's info cutoff date is early 2023. This is more updated than ChatGPT's September 2021 cutoff. Can analyze more files. You can upload more than one document to Claude 2. This is amazing because you can then ask it to analyze shared findings and commonalities between 2 papers. It's free. ChatGPT's most advanced model, GPT-4, costs $20 per month. Claude's most advanced model, Claude 2, is free for all users.